What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Daladels once again. A quick update for those who are using the COTP scripts but do not have a VPS. Okay, for those using the COTP scripts but do not have the VPS, there's something very important you need to understand. For the script to work 24/7 without the VPS, you need the site opened and the macros extension by its side. If you have a VPS, this is not a problem. But if you don't have a VPS, that means you need macros opened, okay, the COTP on the side as well. What do I mean? You need to log into your COTPS account, okay, have the transaction hall opened. Let me see, like so, and then you have your macro scripts also opened by the side. You don't have to leave this screen when a cycle is up. What do I mean by a cycle? Every 2 hours, 10 minutes. All right. If this screen is not opened and a cycle is done, the next cycle will not pick the next trade automatically. So we need the COTP S website opened. Now, you may be like, how do I work on my computer then? Obviously, that means you can't move to any other tab. Okay, if a cycle is up, you need to be on the COTPS. So what do? This is the solution. You need to have another desktop. All right. Remember, the VPS will serve that purpose, but you can also have another desktop on the same computer. Let me show you guys. So when you take your cursor to this tab here, the tax view, all right, you can see I have desktop 1, desktop 2, desktop 3, desktop 4. You can have as many desktops you want. Okay, look at that, desktop 7 and desktop 8. Let's go to desktop 6. When you come to desktop 6, there's nothing here. Okay, you can come back to, oops, sorry. When I come back to desktop 3, you can see I only have YouTube open here. When I click the tax view again, and I go to desktop 1, this is my main desktop. You can see I have all my other sites open on this desktop. So how do you get another desktop? You only come to tax view, okay? And then you click new desktop. Okay, I can close all these desktops and then start from scratch. Those who might be confused. Okay, so from scratch, this is the only desktop I have. Okay, let me close this. All right, this is the only desktop I have. So if I want to create another desktop, I go to the tax view and then I go to add new desktop. Okay, you can see desktop 2 has opened. You can add a third one. Then you go to desktop 2, open Chrome, and then put in your COTPS website. Okay, making sure you've logged in, leaving the screen on the transaction hall. All right, you can see as we speak, I think I'm about to start a new cycle. You can see some funds have been returned to my wallet, 149. Okay, I'm sure when I refresh, another bunch would have be returned in my wallet. Let's give it some time. All right, I'm sure my next cycle is due, but I'm running mine on the VPS. So this is the beauty of this. Even if you're running it on the VPS and you come to either your phone or your laptop, if a cycle is up, it works automatically. Okay, let me refresh again and see. Okay, let's give it some time. Okay, so now when we click the tax view, we can see we have 2 desktops. Okay, so guys, you need to create a new desktop. If run the script, make sure the loop is 1, to 100, all right, before you play loop. And notice that one loop means one cycle. Okay, there are 2 hours in 24 days. Each 2 hours is one cycle, but we give the automation some time for the cycle to return the funds. Okay, to return the funds. Yeah, so the funds would have be returned to your wallets. All right, so using the automation, the script, you can have 11 cycles, which is about 40 to 44 trades in a day. Okay, so I hope this is helpful. Like, subscribe, comment if it's your first time, so that you can help the channel and help other people. Okay, so for the last time, okay, let me show you guys something before I go. Now, if you want to switch in between, let's say you want to move to the next desktop, okay, rather than coming here to choose it this way, you can use Control, Windows, and then either left or right. Okay, so I use left. This is my main desktop. If I want to go to the next one, this is the other desktop. All right, so this other desktop has the COTP running with the script on its side. All right, so that you don't have any interference. Anytime it is one cycle is up, it would automatically pick the next cycle. If you also want to add a new desktop, you can do Control Windows D. Okay, let's do another Control Windows D. So now let's see how many desktops we have. Look at that. We have 5 desktops. Okay, 5 desktops. So if you want to go to the switch in between the desktops, Control Windows left. This is one. This is another screen. This is another screen, and then this is the main screen. Okay. All right. Now, if you also want to close, if you want to shut down one of the screens, you can come here and then close them automatically, or you can also do Control Windows F4. Okay, so I've closed down the first one. I don't want to shut this down. Let me go to, okay, let me shut all down for us to see. So Control Windows F4, Control Windows F4 again. Now when we go here, we have just 2 screens left. All right, so you can use these keys interchangeably to switch the screens. Okay, Control Windows left or right. When you are busy working and you want to see what is going on the other screen, you do that. All right, so guys, have a nice one. Catch you guys on the next video. Cheers.